What if the breakfast you've trusted for decades is quietly telling your body to break down muscle instead of rebuilding it? If you're over 60, that single morning habit could be the hidden reason your legs feel weaker, your balance feels off, and everyday tasks leave you tired. The strange part? It's not simply aging. Millions of adults start the day with what they think is a sensible meal, yet their strength keeps slipping. You might notice it when you stand up from a soft couch, climb a flight of stairs, or reach for something on a high shelf. Doctors call this slow loss of muscle tissue sarcopenia. It often starts silently, then shows up as fatigue, stiffness, or shaky legs. Here's the encouraging side. Your muscles can still rebuild after 60. The real problem isn't that your body forgot how to repair itself. It's that certain common breakfast choices don't provide the right signal or the right building blocks to support that repair. Today, I'll show you one simple, affordable breakfast food that can help support stronger muscles, plus 3 breakfast habits that may be working against you. Stay with me to the end, because the one food that helps most is probably already in your grocery store. Why muscle loss speeds up after 60? But first, there's a key reason muscle loss speeds up after 60. Your muscle tissue is constantly being broken down and rebuilt. When you were younger, the rebuilding side easily kept pace. After 60, your muscles become less sensitive to smaller amounts of protein. Researchers call this anabolic resistance. In plain terms, your body needs a stronger signal to switch on muscle repair. That signal is a specific amino acid called leucine. It acts like a key that turns the rebuilding process on. Without enough leucine-rich protein at breakfast, your muscles can slowly shrink, even if your scale doesn't move. 3 common breakfast habits that may make things worse. Before we get to the breakfast that helps, let's clear away 3 common habits that may make things worse. Habit 1. Refined breakfast grains. White toast, bagels, muffins, sweet cereals. These foods break down fast. They spike blood sugar quickly, then drop it. That crash can push the body toward a more muscle-wasting state. Meanwhile, these options deliver almost no complete protein, so your muscles don't receive the raw materials they need. Think of it as filling the tank with the wrong fuel. You feel full for a while, but the muscle-building machinery stays empty. Habit 2. Coffee with nothing else. Coffee itself can be part of a healthy morning. The issue is drinking it solo. Early in the day, cortisol is naturally elevated. For some people, coffee on an empty stomach can amplify that stress response. Chronic high cortisol can encourage muscle breakdown and blunt repair. Having protein alongside your coffee is a smarter way to start. Even a small serving of Greek yogurt or an egg beside your cup can change the morning signal. Habit 3. Oatmeal with skim milk and sugar. This one surprises people. Oats themselves are fine. The problem is what often goes into the bowl. Instant oats, skim milk, brown sugar, honey. That mix is heavy on carbohydrates and light on complete protein. Skim milk has almost no fat, and fat helps absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K. Those nutrients support muscle function, bone health, and immunity. Without enough protein and fat in the same meal, the muscle-building response stays limited. The protein gap most breakfasts miss. Many older adults need around 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein per meal to maximize muscle repair. Most typical breakfast bowls fall far short of that number. That's a problem because your body doesn't store extra protein for later. If breakfast is mostly carbohydrates, your muscles miss an entire window to rebuild. The standout food, plain Greek yogurt. So what can you eat instead? The standout food is plain Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, it's much higher in protein. More importantly, it's naturally rich in leucine, the amino acid that helps trigger muscle rebuilding. Greek yogurt also supplies calcium, probiotics, and casein. Casein digests slowly, giving your muscles a steady supply of amino acids for hours. Research has found that leucine-rich protein can help older adults overcome anabolic resistance. Choose plain, not flavored, because fruit-flavored versions often pack in added sugar that works against you. A typical serving of plain Greek yogurt supplies around 15 to 20 grams of protein, so pairing it with eggs makes the target much easier to reach. The second powerful addition, whole eggs. Eggs are the second powerful addition. Whole eggs are one of the most complete proteins available. The whites provide easily digested protein, while the yolks deliver vitamin D, choline, selenium, and healthy fats. Studies show whole eggs support muscle repair better than egg whites alone because the yolk adds nutrients that improve the rebuilding response. Don't fear the yolk. Those fats and vitamins do real work. 2 eggs add about 12 grams of high-quality protein and several micronutrients that support muscle function. The third piece, nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are the third piece. Walnuts, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and almonds offer magnesium, zinc, plant protein, healthy fats, and omega-3 fatty acids. Magnesium supports muscle contraction. Zinc contributes to protein synthesis. Omega-3 fatty acids help calm chronic inflammation that can interfere with recovery. A small handful is enough. They're nutrient-dense but calorie-dense. The simple breakfast plate that works. Now here's how to combine them without overcomplicating your morning. Try this simple plate. 1 bowl of plain Greek yogurt, 2 boiled or scrambled eggs, a small handful of mixed walnuts and pumpkin seeds, and a few berries for antioxidants. That combination gives you complete protein, leucine, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. No expensive powders, no complicated meal prep, just real food that supports muscle maintenance. If you want to make it even easier, prepare the eggs the night before and keep the nuts in a small jar by the fridge. After 60, muscle loss is common but not guaranteed. Every breakfast either feeds stronger muscles or feeds muscle decline. Your choice tomorrow morning matters more than you think. Replacing refined carbohydrates with protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt, eggs, and nuts gives your muscles the daily signal they need to rebuild. Small changes repeated often tend to create the biggest results over time. Start tomorrow morning. One protein-rich breakfast won't rebuild everything overnight, but a steady pattern gives your muscles the repeated signal they need. You don't need a perfect diet, just a better default. Final words. If this video helped, please like it and subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle for more practical, science-backed tips for healthier aging. Now tell us in the comments, what do you usually eat for breakfast? And if you're over 60, share your age and country. I read the comments and it helps others see they're not alone.